there, Willow class. Today we are going to have a quick look at continuing with our improvement of chapters. So yesterday we improved chapter 1 and 2, and today we are going to look at chapter 3 and 4. So I've got my chapter 3 on the board. The only difference I've done here is I've changed the date, but I've kept the lesson objective because I want to make it clear. I think yesterday a few of us were confused. Our actual objective is to edit and improve writing. However, this was our objective when we did our writing. Therefore, we need to make sure we're including these things. So we're including a relative clause at least one in this chapter. And then in chapter 4, we're including parenthesis, which as you can see, I've got here in brackets, okay? So let's just have a quick look at my chapter 3. You guys should have your chapter 3 still at home in your books or on paper. So I want you to have a quick read of that and chapter 4, okay? So if you can, pause the video for me and have a quick read of chapter 3 and 4. Off you go. Okay, welcome back. So hopefully you've refreshed your memory of chapter 3 and chapter 4. And now I'm going to do a little bit of refresh about our chapters. I want to make it a little bit better and I want to improve it. So again, like we did yesterday, I want to remind you that yes, we are going to change our spellings and things like that and improve them. However, that's not the only improvement we are going to do. We are actually going to have a look at this list, which is also posted below this video, and see if we can edit and improve some of our sentences based on this list. So the first one is to add an adverb to describe how the action is done. So if I had to go here, my eyes filled with tears. Filled is the verb. Filled is the thing that's being done. So I'm now going to add an adverb to how they are filling. My eyes, and I'm going to say the word quickly. So my eyes quickly filled with tears. And again, that's just adding that little bit more of detail that we want, okay? So if I've got, then that's just a slight improvement for my writing. So once I've done that, let's see if I could add another one. I'm going to move further down here, but then came the knock. The knock is the thing, the noun. So let's just quickly add an adjective to describe the noun. The sudden knock, I'm going to say. But then came the sudden knock, okay? Or we could say the dreaded knock. We could add a relative clause to our sentences. We could add brackets somewhere. Now, my lesson objective here was to include parentheses. So I have actually got brackets. So I'm definitely not going to add brackets in this one, but I might choose to include them in chapter 3. Last week, so I'm going to be specific about the week and the day. On Tuesday, I'm going to say. So open my brackets on Tuesday, and then my comma would come after the brackets now. Okay, last week on Tuesday, my mum told me she wanted me to start to learn an instrument. So you can see that I've added little bits there. Now this list is posted below. Again, I'd like for you to edit and improve your sentences by using this list. Some children did a fab job of doing this, and I want you to just include some of these, and you might decide that you need to use them once or twice, and that's fine. Like I said, some of these might only be once, and some of them might be 3 or 4 times you decide to use them, like improving the noun or changing your adjective. Okay, so I can't wait to read how these stories go, and make sure that you are improving them and not just copying them down. Well done.